Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial Photoshop, I will tell you or show you how to use content aware move tools. So without wasting time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now take an image. Click on double layer, the background layer. Select the image third part, delete it. Now suppose this is empty, background is empty and the foreground it is image, it is there. So what I want to do, I want to recover it. Content aware move tool, select, and move by pressing Alt key. Duplicate, not duplicate, just drag it upward. Move it upward. Now press Ctrl D. It recovers an image, background image which is empty. Another because selection move tool. When I selected, now this is select content aware move tool. When I selected the image and move it, now this part, it recovered that area. Let me apply changes, make changes here. Now first, another thing, if this part is empty, this part is empty again, what I have to do, how I should recover? Select that part, that area, and then press on your keyboard shift backspace and then press OK. It recovered that part which was empty. Now it is filling that kind of part. It recovered an image. That it makes that image similar color. It's in texture. That was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe our channel. That was Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer.